Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic inventor tutorial how to rotate a sketch. So you can click start to the sketch and I will choose top plan. As example, we can draw rectangle. Now if you want to rotate this rectangle like into 45-degree, you can click this icon rotate tools, click, and then will be show for the rotate dialog box. For select, you can select the objects, and then for center point of rotation, I will click at this point. Now you can click yes, and then you can click for the angles into 45-degree, and you can click apply. You also can rotate by copy. You can select again the object to rotate. For center point, I will click again at this point, and then I will check for the copy. Now I will rotate again into 60-degree, and you can click apply to set the rotation. So to be create a copy from the rotation object. If you're done, you can click done button. Okay, that's it for basic inventor tutorial, how to rotate a sketch. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.